How to change Trust Wallet recovery phrase. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application Trust Wallet. Once you are in here, head over to settings at the bottom right corner. And then head over to wallets. Proceed to the wallet that you have. So move into multi-coin wallet. Over here, click on show secret phrase. Now enter the passcode. Well, it will show you the secret phrase of your account. Well, you should know that you cannot share this secret phrase with anyone. If someone has your secret phrase, they will have full control of your wallet. First of all, you should know that it's actually impossible to change the secret phrase. But if you really want to change, then what you want to do is create a new Trust Wallet account. You can simply delete this account and create a new one. Once you create a new account, you will also get a new secret phrase or recovery phrase. And after that, you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can change Trust Wallet recovery phrase. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.